In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace your cabin air filter located behind the glove box on a Toyota Sienna. So open your glove box, and I recommend taking anything in there out so it's easy to work with. And then we're going to come over here to the passenger side outer. In this little arm, we're going to take that off. Now I like to use a plastic trim tool. You can see it has a little pinch in there. So you're going to kind of wedge that in, pop it right off, just like that. Now, up here, there are two arms. They have little ear tabs on them, so you're going to pull them out like that on one side and do the same to the other. Now with that hanging down, it comes right out of the way. Set it down, and you'll see the actual door right here for the cabin air filter. All right, so you have two tabs, one here on the right side and one on the left. They leave a nice little cutout. If you want to bring your hand in, you can. So you're going to want to squeeze that tab like that and pull up on it, and then do the same to the other side. Squeeze the tab and pull up. You might be able to have to take this door out on this side, and it'll pop right out. Now I can tell already there is a big mess in there. It's a lack of cabin air change filter. And you'll see the arrow, recognize the arrow, and make sure that the new one is going to be installed with the felt on the outside and felt on the inside. There is no up arrow on this. Grab it and slowly pull it out. So make sure you have no leftover debris down in the blow motor. Spin it around, and to install it, you're going to just guide it right back in the same way. Get that door. There's an up arrow. Put the inner clip in first, then the outer. It'll clip right into place. And we're going to grab our glove box door. We're going to put that little hitches right there in those little tabs like that. Push down. Now I like to just give it a good push. Now with the glove box locked in, tabs on the bottom, two ears are inside. We're going to grab the last thing is that little strong arm. We're going to pull down on it. Spring loaded. Put it right over that little tab, lock it in. Now you can put your items back in your glove box, and you're good to go. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.